Have you ever heard of the intriguing collocation, serene chaos? Serene chaos describes a peaceful state within disorder. It's like finding calmness in the midst of a storm, a tranquil moment amidst chaos. Native English speakers often use this phrase to convey a sense of balance in hectic situations. Imagine a chaotic city street with honking cars, but you notice a serene garden nearby. That juxtaposition embodies the essence of serene chaos, finding peace within disorder. You can use this phrase to describe a cluttered workspace that still feels tranquil to you, or a busy schedule that somehow brings you a sense of calmness and fulfillment. In art, serene chaos could refer to a painting with chaotic brushstrokes but a peaceful overall vibe. Remember, serene chaos is all about embracing the beauty of opposites harmoniously coexisting.